To our Globe TV viewers, breaking news. Yes, an earthquake of 6.9 magnitude struck the Mindanao region of the Philippines on Friday, the German Research Center for Geoscience. The quake was at a depth of 10 km. GFG added. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center said no tsunami was expected. Damage and aftershock can be expected from the offshore quake. The Philippines Seismology Agency said in a bulletin, intensity 8 were felt in the southern Philippines provinces of Sarangani and South Cotabato, it added. Beyond the report,